exercises and question answers on the lesson Rocks and Minerals from Class 5 Science. Choose the correct options. Question number 1. Each kind of rock is made of option A. Same minerals, B. Different minerals, C. Lava, D. Magma. Answer B. Different minerals. The molten lava cools and solidifies to form A. Sedimentary rock, B. Igneous rock, C. Metamorphic rock, and D. Magma. Answer B. Igneous rock. Which of the following rocks contains calcium? A. Granite, B. Obsidian, C. Limestone, and D. Shell. Answer C. Limestone. Question number 4. Marble is A. Sedimentary rock, B. Metamorphic rock, C. Igneous rock, and D. Porous rock. Answer B. Metamorphic rock. Magnets can attract A. Cobalt, B. Nickel, C. Iron, D. All of these. Answer D. All of these. Match the following. Look at the options in column A and column B. Matchings: granite, slow cooling of lava, pumice, porous, obsidian, quick cooling of lava, shell, bricks and cement, gneiss, striped or strict. Write 2 examples of each of the following. Igneous rocks, obsidian and granite. Sedimentary rock, limestone, shell. Metamorphic rocks, gneiss, marble. Non-metallic minerals, calcite, mica. Metallic minerals, magnetite, bauxite. Write one word for the following. Molten rocks found inside the earth, magma. Rocks made by solidification of lava, igneous. A rock that can float, pumice. Rocks that are formed when other rocks change their form, metamorphic. Rocks that are used in glass and ceramic industries, quartzite. Question and answers. Question number 1. Name the 3 layers of the earth. Answer. The earth can be divided into 3 layers: crust, mantle, and core. Name any 3 types of rocks with one example of each. The 3 types of rocks are: number 1. Igneous rocks, example granite. Sedimentary rocks, example conglomerate, and metamorphic rocks, example marble. What are metamorphic rocks? How are they formed? Metamorphic rocks are rocks that are formed due to physical and chemical changes in igneous, sedimentary, or older metamorphic rocks themselves. These happen due to heat and pressure. What are minerals? Give any 3 examples of minerals. All rocks are made up of substances called minerals. Minerals are chemical substances with a fixed chemical composition that occur in nature. For example, magnetite, bauxite, and calcite. What are magnets? Mention the 2 types of magnets with examples. Substances that can attract iron are called magnets. There are 2 types of magnets, natural and man-made magnets. Natural magnets are found in nature, for example, magnetite. Man-made magnets are made by man, generally from iron, nickel, and cobalt.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated. Your comments and suggestions are valuable to us.